So I'm back in the kitchen. The putty, the lambi putty work has started. You can see the primer in this area, lambi putty in this area. Then of course he'll take up this white wall and do it, and this wall. So that's all for today. I guess nothing much. Bye bye. See you. So I'm back at the kitchen site. Now the painting work is in progress. The second coat of lambi is being sanded, what we call in Hindi gasai. So you can see the work progress. So these new rod holders have been fixed. We decided to paint the door also. And the putty work has been done to quite an extent. Yeah. So that's all for the day. Hope to show you more progress very soon. Bye bye. See you. The drawers have been fitted. There's a PVC protection film which will be removed later, and then you'll see the real finish. The black powder coated handles to match the granite top. You can see the channels over there. And there for the pillar. It's all yours. Put it on the outla. The shutter was input. So basically I've come to drill the hole for the gas pipeline. I would like the gas pipeline to come to here with the control knob here, and then the rubber pipe will go inside down through the vertical, and the hob is here. So through the vertical will connect with the hob. The gas pipeline will connect at the bottom of the hob. So that's what my plan is. Hopefully the Mahanagar gas people oblige with this plan. Let's see. These shutters have been put, the doors and the shutter have been put on this side. Almost coming to an end. Shutters below the sink, the washing machine. the tall unit, the space for the micro. He's trying to set this because I told him there's a gap behind here, so he's trying to adjust that. The chimney you can see. I have to fill the gap with cement concrete from inside as well as from outside, so that we don't have any issue of rainwater seeping in. Unable to see from the outside because of this thing. Let's see if I can take the camera there and see what is happening there. I don't know if you all can see or not. Something I can see from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock and from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock the concrete has not been removed clearly. That's why it's not come out. Okay guys, that's all for today. Expecting them to finish today or latest by tomorrow, and then the painter will come and do the last coat of painting. The fan needs to be fitted properly. Okay guys, bye bye, see you later. So I made the marking for the gas hole for the gas pipeline. Unfortunately I cannot put it here because it will go behind this. There's no point. Then again I'll have to drill a hole in the vertical, so might as well make the hole inside this place. Secondly, from once it comes down from here, it has to cross this vertical and come here. So I made another marking here. It can't be done here because this is a column. This is a column, so it can't be done here. So after the column, this column I'm talking about, this one. So it has to come out from here and then go into the hob. In the bottom of the hob there's a knob, and that's why the drawer has been kept away from the wall. I hope you enjoyed today's site visit. Please subscribe to MCSIDT. Thank you so much. Bye bye.